Feel like a genius with the Davinci Desk and Bookcase from American Furniture Warehouse. This modern pair is ready to help you be the most productive, organized, and classy version of yourself in years. Both are a perfect combination of both a walnut and black finish. Made from sturdy composite materials, this desk and bookcase are durable and inexpensive. The desktop has plenty of space for your workload and shelving with a sliding door to store all of your office needs. The bookcase, coming in at just over 7 feet tall, has 5 shelves behind a durable and beautiful pair of black metal-framed glass doors, ensuring your prized possessions are on display and well protected. Make the smart choice and upgrade your home office today with the Davinci Desk and Bookcase from AFW. You can find your style, selection, and value at American Furniture Warehouse.